How to create smart campaign in Marketo. Log into your Marketo account and go to the Marketing Activities section. Choose the program or folder where you want to create your smart campaign. Right-click the program or folder and select New Smart Campaign. Enter a name for your campaign and add an optional description. Open the Smart List tab and drag in the filters you want to use. Set the filter rules to define who should qualify for the campaign. Go to the Flow tab and choose the actions you want to automate. Set up each flow action, such as sending an email, changing data, or adding people to a list. Move to the Schedule tab to control when the campaign should run. Select whether the campaign should run once or allow people to run through multiple times. Choose the exact time and date for batch campaigns if you are not using triggers. Review the Smart List, Flow, and Schedule to ensure everything is set correctly. Click Activate if the campaign uses triggers, or click Run once if it is a batch campaign. Monitor results from the Campaign Results tab to see who qualified and what actions ran. Thank you for watching.